How to get 10,000 followers in one single day with no DM groups, no follow and follow, no shout out for shout out, none of that. How is it done? Stay tuned on this video and you will find out. Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome to the video. If you're new to the channel or you don't know who I am, my name's Anthony. I run a 1 million follower network on Instagram, and I also run an Instagram marketing agency. I make videos like this to help you take your account from 0 to hero. So if you're trying to grow your Instagram, you're trying to monetize your Instagram, or you're trying to do anything on the platform, make sure you go ahead and subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell, because I upload a video every single day helping you reach your Instagram goals. With that said, let's get into it. So this is actually going to be done through a giveaway, but it's not your standard giveaway, okay? This is taking a giveaway and literally putting it on steroids. So when you're going ahead and you're running your normal giveaway, you know, what do you kind of think about? You think about maybe getting an iPhone, maybe getting a laptop, something of that nature, and then you go ahead and you buy it and you announce on your page that you're going to go ahead and you're going to do a giveaway, and you'd go ahead and maybe post it on your story, post it on your feed, and then it typically just ends there. Obviously your end goal is to get more followers, and you tell people that they can win by sharing and then people following you. So you have your own followers sharing the content, also entering, and through sharing more people participate, and since they have to follow you, you gain more followers. And you know, this kind of works. It works all right. It works all right, but it works better if you already have a big following. So what if you were starting from scratch, or what if you were starting from just a few thousand or even just a few hundred? How do you actually make a giveaway work for you to get the momentum, get the snowball rolling down that hill? Now think about this. You're already investing money into a giveaway. You're investing money into that product because you have to be giving something away. If you're in the States and you're not giving something away, it is a federal offense and you could get in very, very big trouble on it, including getting your account taken down. So make sure if you're running a giveaway, you're actually ethical about it and give something away. And now if you're already going ahead and put up the money to grow your following, to buy a product, let's put up a little bit more money, invest a little bit further, and actually take this thing to a new level. It's better to spend more and get a way better result than to try to cheap out and try to half-ass it, okay? Always take the opportunity when it comes. So what we want to do is actually get influencers to go ahead and fuel this giveaway. Instead of using just us to fuel the giveaway, we're going to use influencers to go ahead and promote the crap out of this. This works much, much more powerful than a shout out, and you're going to get so many more followers than usual. Like, you can literally get thousands of followers from an influencer because you are now incentivizing that follower to follow you. Now, this strategy does have a con, and it has its pros and cons, but the con about this strategy is that as you go ahead and you promote this, you're going to be getting a lot of people going to your profile, following you, entering on the giveaway, commenting on your post. Bonus tip, one thing that I really like to do is right when I'm doing a giveaway, I'll also make another post right after, because that post will typically get more engagement. You can even have in the giveaway like, hey, if you want an extra shot at winning, engage on my post. And if you post a piece of viral content right after you launch the giveaway, people are going to be engaging on that, working as a form of a DM group, and that will actually go ahead and go viral. But the one con about this is that people will start to unfollow you. Now, not all of them will unfollow you, but with any type of giveaway or any type of promotion, some people will only be there to win the phone, and that's it. Now, the thing is that you're going to lose some, but you're not going to lose all. So if you gain 10,000 followers, you know, you could probably say you're going to lose about 1,000, 2,000. Now, if you're giving away something that's within your niche, it could be less than that. If you're giving away something that's completely unrelated to your niche, it could be a lot more than that. The more niche related that you can do a giveaway in, the more followers that you will retain. The hard work that you have to do after this is not getting the followers, because the giveaway will take care of getting the followers. What you need to do is retain the followers. Another way to go ahead and retain the followers, other than going ahead and giving away something that is within your niche, which I'm telling you, give away something in your niche if you're really serious about maintaining followers. But other than that is actually keeping them very, very engaged through stories and through posting. Don't run a giveaway and then just go ahead and go ghost. That is what I did on my personal brand. I actually did a giveaway, and it was one of my first giveaways I was really doing just to kind of test it out. I gained 10,000 followers, and then I wasn't prepared with my own content to really keep up with it. And now the page is pretty dead. I'm actually gonna have to restart my personal brand. So don't make that mistake that I did. Make sure that if you use the strategy, it is very, very effective, but you cannot let things go dead. Don't start to just do a giveaway for the sake of doing a giveaway if you don't have content prepared, if you don't have a back-end plan prepared so that you can actually grow this account. But if you do, then make sure you're very active on the stories, make sure you're posting as much as you can, and make sure you're giving a lot of value to these people. And when you give away something within your niche, it's easy to give value to them because you know roughly what they want, and you will retain many more followers than usual, and these people will actually grow to become real fans of you. Now, simply put, the more influencers that you get promoting this and fueling this, the more followers you're going to get. So maybe run a test, run a giveaway and have 5 influencers sponsor it and get kind of what your numbers are at, and then run another giveaway and have 20 influencers sponsor it. It's really just what's in your budget. Just make sure you test softly first. Run a giveaway, use some influencers, see what happens, see if those influencers match, and then go ahead and try to scale it to a lot of influencers and try to get that 10K in one day. Another bonus tip, this one is really good for those of you guys who are really looking long term, and you should be. You should not be growing on Instagram or even starting an Instagram if you're not looking long term. You should be in this to make money, okay? I don't get why people are on Instagram and they're not really in it to make money. They have one foot in and one foot out. You cannot succeed having one foot in the door and the other half of your body out. You have to plant both your feet through the door and just attack Instagram head on. So the bonus tip is to start collecting emails, okay? Start to actually get these people's emails and get them off Instagram and onto your email list. Then you'll have them not only on Instagram where you can engage with them, but you can send them personal emails so that you can sell your products to them. You can do anything you want. And the way that you would do this and have it prepped is by having everything already set. So have a story swipe up that's already set that you post before the giveaway that gives them a reason to go and join the list, okay? If you're in the fitness niche, maybe you want to give away a workout program and your giveaway is like $100 cash or whatever it may be, you're getting people to your profile from the giveaway. They're going to see your other posts, your sponsored posts to getting on your email list, and now people will go ahead and opt in onto your email list. So even if they unfollow you on Instagram, they're now on your email list, and now you're basically building up 2 different platforms all through Instagram. And that's what Instagram is really meant for. Instagram is meant to get those new followers because it is so easy to get new followers. Instagram is great for just hunting for people, and then it's great for also getting them to other places, directing traffic to email lists, to Facebook groups, to blogs, to YouTube channels, to whatever it is that you want. The best place to go ahead and collect emails is on ClickFunnels. That is what I use. That is absolutely my favorite place to do it because not only can you go ahead and collect emails and send out broadcasts and have all that stuff set up, but you can also build funnels. So in the description, for those of you who want to go ahead and play around with this, it does take a little bit of time to actually learn. So, you have to invest a little bit of time into it, but I'm telling you, once you learn ClickFunnels, it is literally like printing money, and you can design funnels that are so simple yet get people to opt in like crazy. So in the description, I will leave a link to a 2-week free trial. If you use this link, you will get 2 free weeks on ClickFunnels. So make sure you use it if you want to test around with it. I really recommend using the 2-week free trial because it does have a learning curve. So if you use the link in the description, you have 2 weeks to go ahead and kind of learn ClickFunnels. It'll really only take you 2 or 3 days. And then once you're done, like, you'll already be having emails in your list making money until you actually have to go ahead and pay for it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you smash that like button. Make sure you leave your comments below. Are any of you guys using ClickFunnels? Have any of you guys ran a giveaway before? If any of you guys want to take Instagram super serious and really learn the back end strategies, how do influencers go 0 to 100K? How do you monetize Instagram to a full-time business? How do you do all of this stuff and really learn Instagram inside and out? I will leave a free training linked below. It is one of the most advanced trainings I've ever put together. It's brand new, so I'll leave that linked in the description. Make sure you go ahead and check that out. With all that said, guys, once again, make sure you subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, because we make videos like crazy to help you guys grow, take you guys out of gaining a few followers per day and help you to gain hundreds of followers per day. So with all that said, guys, keep grinding, keep hustling, and I'll see you all on the next one.